Morena whānau.
Kia ora whānau.
Tēnā tātou.
Just finished all my deliveries for all these hygiene packs to all our kaumātua within our community.
Lots of people home and wanted to chit-chat, especially Auntie Janice at Renwick Crescent. She just wanted to go on for about nearly a half an hour.
Well, we just finished off delivering 25 packs to Rūnanganui, to Linda Pahi and their whānau up there. They're all pretty much situated and doing a good job up there.
The response that I got was at every household they were wrapped and happy to receive the goodies that were inside the box.
What a great event this is turning out to be.
They've got a lot of need for food parcels, so we're going to talk to our team down here to try and help the whānau up there. But no, all good, lovely day. Kia ora tātou.
Te Rūnanganui o Te Āti Awa remains available to support whānau in the greater Te Awa Kairangi region. There are protocols in place so that the delivery of their services continue. If you require contact information of essential social services at this time, they have a dedicated email that will auto-respond with social services, their contacts and the best way to gain information. Email covid19@aatiawa.com. This message is brought to you by Te Rūnanganui o Te Āti Awa. Visit www.aatiawa.com.